good morning. Good morning. Alessia. Can you say good morning? Hi. Hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. So I'm about to start working on shirts. Good morning. We have a couple orders that we have to do, so I'm gonna get started on those right now. There's like a mess going on here, as you can see. My mom's working on tutus, so everything is a mess. I'm just gonna arrange everything and then try to get myself set up. Okay, so we have two orders. We have one that's for a regular Mickey shirt, is that one, and then we have another one for a Moana shirt. So set up this one for the Mickey shirt. Okay, let's bring it up. Damn. Let's keep going. It's 235. So I rarely ever do the 6 to 12 month size. So I'm not used to knowing what shirt to put it on. This is good. Alright, and then the next one, this is going to be the one for the number 1. Just bring it down slightly. Let's do, don't want to make it too, I think there is good, okay. So my mom is currently finishing up these tutus. They look so cute. I love these. I think they look so cute, and I like how poofy they are, the bottom. That one. She still has to put a bow on this one. And then this is a sample. Oh, it's upside down. It's supposed to be the other way. This is actually a sample that she's making for a new tutu that we want to list. She's going to be making me this one and then an all blue one to go, this one right here. It's going to be all blue to go with the Frozen shirts. So I'm excited about that. Honey, what are you up to? Amor? What are you up to, baby? You wanna show off your outfit? You wanna show off your outfit? Show us your outfit. Let me see it. So cute. Check out how cute it came out. Isn't it so cute? This is what the outfit would look like. Let me put it behind a white wall. I feel like it'll look better. Check it out. This is going up on our shop. It just looks so cute. My mom did such a good job.